Hello friends, welcome back to this lecture series which is specially designed for you to make you quickly revise each module and to help you score better in the upcoming HSC examination. I am Audumbar Patkar, Assistant Professor in Chemistry at Maharishi Parshuram College of Engineering, Varaneshwar, which is in Guhagar, Ratnagiri. In this short video, I'll be discussing about the module Green Chemistry and Nanochemistry in terms of weightage of the module, what type of questions will be asked in the final examination and previously asked questions in the board exam. So let's get started. This module Green chemistry and nanochemistry will be asked for 4 marks in the final examination, which consist normally 3 questions. First question will mostly MCQ question or very short answer question for 1 mark, and the other question, which is again a short question where they'll mostly ask some of the definitions for 1 mark, and the last question is again short answer question where mostly they will ask about the applications of nano materials and all. So as you can see in this module, there will be only theory questions will be asked. So let's see what type of questions were asked in the previous examination. Here is one MCQ which was asked in March 2022. The name of metal nanoparticles which acts as highly effective bacterial disinfectant in water purification process is, and options are carbon black, silver, gold and copper. And if you remember, the correct answer is of course second, silver. As we know, silver nanoparticles are very highly effective bacterial disinfectants which removes even pathogens like E. coli from water. Let's go to the next question. Which nanomaterial is used for tires of car to increase the life of tires? And if you remember the answer, this was very short answer question which was asked in September 2021, and the answer is carbon black. So this carbon nanostructured materials are used in the preparation of tires of car to increase the life of tires, and they have very high strength as well. Next question was asked twice in March and July 2022, where they asked the definition for green chemistry. Green chemistry, also called as clean chemistry, this was the concept first coined by the scientist Paul Anastas. Green chemistry is the use of chemistry for pollution prevention, and it designs the use of chemical products and processes that reduce or eliminate the use or generation of hazardous substances. So it's actually a guideline to prevent the pollution, which will help for scientists or technologists to develop the products and processes that reduce or totally eliminate the use or generation of hazardous substances. These guidelines actually given in the form of 12 principles that you might aware of. Another definition which was asked in July 2022, that is on nanotechnology. So nanotechnology is the design, characterization, production and application of structures, device and system by controlling shape and size of nanometer scale. So these are the materials with size in nanometer scale, where the applications and properties of materials somewhat changes than the normal materials. Let's go ahead and check other questions from this module. This question was asked in March 2022. Again, write two disadvantages of nanotechnology. As we know, there are various applications for nanotechnology, but there are some disadvantages as well, which we must know. So let's see. So nanotechnology increases the environmental pollution called nanopollution because these particles are of very smaller size or nano size, you can say. Nanoparticles can be potential health hazard depending upon the size, chemical composition and shape. If they inhaled, they can be deposited in lungs or respiratory tracts, causing lung damage. So these are two disadvantages of nanotechnology. Another question can be asked on this module, like give different applications of nanoparticles. And here are some applications of nanoparticles. There are many, but here I mentioned few. So nanoparticles are used in the manufacturing of scratch-proof eyeglasses, transport, crack-resistant pens, etc. It is also used in electronic devices like magnetoresistive RAM. Silver nanoparticles, we learn that, are used in water purification system to get safe drinking water. Nanoparticles are also used to prepare self-cleansing materials. So these are some applications. So in this very short module, what you need to remember and focus on, that is some of the definitions and principles of green chemistry on which question might be asked, and applications of nanomaterials or nanoparticles which you need to be focusing on. So if you do this, this module can give you 4 marks for sure. So that's it for now. Thank you very much. See you next time.